Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce your credit inquiries with Credit Karma. So to do that, all you got to do is follow these simple steps that I've laid out for you guys. And the first step is to log into your Credit Karma account. Now you can log into your Credit Karma account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website through a computer. And once you're logged into the site and logged into your account, all you want to do is click on the credit score tab. Now here you can view your credit inquiry history, as well as identify areas that you need improvements in. And you can avoid applying for multiple credit cards or loans in a short period, as this could affect your credit. And you also try to make use of Credit Karma's credit inquiry calculator to see how reducing your credit inquiries may affect your credit score. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reduce your credit inquiries with Credit Karma. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.